Good morning, guys, and I wanted to let you know what's going on for today. Please go to Google Classroom, go on to Monday, November 16th. That's today. You have a couple things that are going on while you're working in study hall. Obviously, you're not in study hall, but these are the things that you're going to be doing in study hall. You can do your science right here. It says go through the Nearpod. This is the Nearpod attached. Fingers crossed that it works. Write down as much information as you can about tectonic hazards. Here is the attached Google Doc right here. If you open up the Google Doc, it'll say earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis. So everything that you've learned from that video, you're going to write down as much as you possibly can. And then you're going to do this Renzulli profile. It's going to be something strange for you guys to do, but these are the exact directions. You're going to click on this link below, and then you're going to click login in the right upper hand corner. Let me just show you how to do it. And then you're going to log in using the first letter of your first name and your last name. And then you're going to use your password MCSCS1234. You're going to click on accept. You're going to click on I confirm, and then you're going to complete the profile following the directions. As soon as you're done with that, that's all you need to do for that. Then for homework, you have social studies homework, which is right here. You're going to go through this Quizlet, which is going to give you some of the new vocabulary words for the new lesson that we're going to be doing in Chapter 3, Lesson 3. And then you also have grammar homework. Don't worry about the math test. We will do it together. We have a benchmark to take during the day, and then you're going to be doing the math test this afternoon, okay? Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. If you do have any questions, at 9:30 I'll be done teaching my online class, and you can connect with me using that the Zoom link that I provided you. And if you don't know where that is, you can also go on to resources. It'll say, see, it says right here, I posted the two materials. That's the Zoom link. So you can click this Zoom link right there, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you at 9:30 if you have any questions. If you don't have any questions, I will see you at 11:30. Have a fabulous day.